Hi guys, welcome again to Learning Tree, the fun way with Tree Junior Pro. My name is Chrissy, and for today's lesson we have one person that needed something translated, and that person is Daniel. Daniel, thanks again for your continued support. Guys, it's hot, sun, I'm probably sweating by now. Forgive me for that, right? Now, the very first thing Daniel wanted to know was why you buy so much. Again, why you buy so much. Now, that in Tree can relatively be said in two ways. Now, the very first way one can actually say that is Adɛn na wotɔɔ dodoɔ saa. Again, Adɛn na wotɔɔ dodoɔ saa. One last time. Adɛn na wotɔɔ dodoɔ saa. Let's break it down. If somebody says Adɛn na, basically what they're trying to say is why or how come. Now wotɔɔ is did you buy? Dodoɔ is much. Sa is finishing the much. So again, Adɛn na wotɔɔ dodoɔ saa would be why did you buy so much? Right? Now the second way one can actually say that is Adɛn na wotɔɔ beberee saa. Again, Adɛn na wotɔɔ beberee saa. Slowly. Adɛn na wotɔɔ beberee saa. In this sentence, beberee and dodoɔ is relatively the same thing, right? So again, you can either say Adɛn na wotɔɔ beberee saa or Adɛn na wotɔɔ dodoɔ saa. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was that's a waste of money. Again, that's a waste of money. Now that in Tree can be said as ɛyɛ sika sɛ ɛkwa. Again, ɛyɛ sika sɛ ɛkwa. One last time. Ɛyɛ sika sɛ ɛkwa. Slowly. Ɛyɛ sika sɛ ɛkwa. Literally translated is whatever you're trying to do or whatever you're purchasing is a waste of money. Again, ɛyɛ sika sɛ ɛkwa. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was don't waste money. Again, don't waste money. Now that in Tree can be said as Ɛnsɛe sika. Again, Ɛnsɛe sika. Remember, sika in Tree is money. Ɛnsɛe is don't spoil or don't waste. So again, Ɛnsɛe sika. One last time. Ɛnsɛe sika. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was I am changing my car. Again, I am changing my car. Now that in Tree can be said as Meresesa hyɛn. Again, Meresesa hyɛn. One last time. Meresesa hyɛn. Hyɛn in this context, or a hyɛn in general, is a vehicle. So again, Meresesa hyɛn. Or you can say Meresesa hyɛn. So you can either say Meresesa hyɛn or Meresesa hyɛn. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was actually. Again, actually. Now that in Tree can be said as Mmom. Again, Mmom. One last time. Mmom. Slower. Mmom. So actually in Tree is Mmom. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was why are you offended? Now that in Tree can be said in two ways. Now the very first way one can actually say that is Adɛn na ɛyɛ w'abufuo. Again, Adɛn na ɛyɛ w'abufuo. Abufuo or abufuo in this context is anger, right? So again, Adɛn na ɛyɛ w'abufuo. One last time. Adɛn na ɛyɛ w'abufuo. The second way one can actually say that is Adɛn na ɛyɛ wo ya. Again, Adɛn na ɛyɛ wo ya. Slower. Adɛn na ɛyɛ wo ya. If somebody says adeɛ yɛ me ya, what I'm trying to say is whatever the thing is hurting me. So as a result, I'll get angry, right? So if something hurts you, chances are you get angry about it. Hence, you can also say Adɛn na ɛyɛ wo ya. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was I think she hates black people. Again, I think she hates black people. Now that in Tree can be said as ɔmpɛ abibifuo asɛm. Again, ɔmpɛ abibifuo asɛm. Let me try and break this, right? Now in Tree, we do not have him or her, right? It's represented by ɔ. So in this context, it will be the person. So what I'm going to translate to be the person doesn't like black people, right? So in that context, the person doesn't like black people in Tree would be ɔmpɛ abibifuo asɛm. Remember, it can either be he or she. So or represents he or she. So I can say ɔmpɛ abibifuo asɛm. Ɔmpɛ means the person doesn't like. Abibifuo is black people. Asɛm is basically you saying you don't like someone. So for an example, if I say mepɛ w'asɛm, what I'm trying to say is I like you. Right? If I say mempɛ w'asɛm, what I'm trying to say is I don't like you. So in this context, if I say ɔmpɛ abibifuo asɛm, What I'm saying is he or she doesn't like black people. Now the last thing that Daniel wanted to know was, why do you drive zigzag? So I'm guessing the person is driving crazy, driving zigzag, right? So again, why do you drive zigzag? Now that in Twi can be said as Adɛn na woretwi hyɛn no basabasa. Again, Adɛn na woretwi hyɛn no basabasa. Slower. Adɛn na woretwi hyɛn no basabasa. So again, Adɛn is why. Now woretwi is why are you driving? Twi is drive. So Adɛn na woretwi, why are you driving? Hyɛn, as I said, is a vehicle. Basabasa is roughly or carelessly, right? So that can also represent roughly or zigzag. Carelessly can represent somebody who's driving in a zigzag manner because they're driving carelessly. So again, that can be said as Adɛn na woreka hyɛn no, or you can say Adɛn na woretwi hyɛn no basabasa. Again, Adɛn na woretwi hyɛn no basabasa. Or if you want, you can say Adɛn na woreka hyɛn no basabasa. Guys, that's it for this week's lesson. I just want to thank Daniel and for everyone who's supporting me. Thank you so much. As I said, my life is now a bit free, meaning that what I'll do is videos will be coming out as before every Monday of the week, so it'll be 4 times a month. Thanks again for holding on, for supporting me through this. My life was a bit busy, but now, as I said, I'm freer now, so the videos will come as they used to come. As again, thank you so much. And guys, remember, if you love the content of the channel, right, please click on the like button, subscribe button, and bell button for future notifications. And remember, if you want to learn Twi quicker, right, please go get the Twi Junior Pro apps on Google Store. With that and these lessons, you learn Twi quicker. Guys, with lots of love from me. Bye.